Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I personally invite you to come and join Jannah Institute and our Qur'an classes. What makes our classes unique, that small size class, between 5 to 9 students only. All our teachers are hafizat, have memorized the Qur'an, and have ijazah, a permission to teach from well-known shuyukh overseas. They have been teaching for years now. We evaluate their teaching and we evaluate their memorization. You can see from the testimonials of the students the strength of our program. Nothing is more pleasing to Allah than getting connected with His book, whether memorizing, whether reviewing, whether learning how to read properly, or basic knowledge about reading. Don't miss this opportunity. It's all woman to woman. Comes to your home. Hope to see you.